We all believe that design thinking can and should serve a higher purpose. Design inspires, design enlightens, and design empowers.
Qatar is leading the way in design across its many aspects in smart and sustainable design of the futures. And it is something that we are proud to support.
Just like when you drop a pebble in the water, creates ripples. Well-designed and well-executed buildings create positive ripples that go through cities, countries, and everywhere.
Good design really has the power to create a better world.
So the industry itself goes against trying to economize or trying to reduce or trying to be more conservative, because the industry drives towards bigger, taller, wider.
Sustainability is always a goal, right? And it's a challenge. It's a goal that's always moving. So as soon as we achieve one level of sustainability within design, there's another goal put in front of us.
If we think about Gen Z, as we said, they account for 2 billion of the population. That's roughly around 30% of the world's population. And very soon, they're actually going to be surpassing millennials in their ability to consume and grow.
Human creativity is not just about processing information. It's about imagination, intuition, and the ability to see possibilities where others might see limitations.
So you need to also simultaneously develop new generation of products that has a scale match with the amount of trash that we have.
I think we're always looking for ways to make our museums more accessible and our experiences more accessible.
The design industry and the design language that we have in the GCC and the Arab world is ever changing. And what's interesting about it is that it's a melting pot.
Humans are just temporary users of any design solution we can think of.
The way I look at the technology, I think I go 2 steps back. I look at the technology as a tool that's been created by a human for one simple purpose, is to help humanity to progress and develop.
It's basically a storytelling of your product or services. So what is the issue? The issue when the designer working alone, they design just for design. Or the innovator in tech, they just building tech because they know how to build tech. Or business people who don't know how to transform a value proposition that can generate revenue as with the right experience to the customer.
There's no secret. If your content is working, the more you create, people will kind of let you know how you're doing. And early on, the thumbs up button used to be a like, and now it's a heart. And I like the heart more.
I think people change the world. I think people's drive changes the world. I think design is a product of that. And design has become more and more a facet of our tool, our consciousness to actually find solutions. It's the driving question as to how we can impact our environment. Driving question, how can we deal with hunger? How can we deal with illness? How can we deal with the human condition? How can we innovate? How do we ask questions to improve our condition, to improve our engagement within ourselves and in the environment around us?